the truth is that CDPs to date haven't been the most privacy conscious solution. They're asking you to collect all your customer 360 data, like you've mentioned, and they're having you use that in a single place, organize it, and saying, trust us, we'll prepare it for you. Where composable CDPs come in is it's saying, look, ultimately CDPs need to be experience engines. Now, part of the problem has been current CDPs have architecture issues that, one, make it very difficult for you to get to that business value. And composable CDPs done two things. It said, well, you know what's a really good idea is to use your current data layer, whether that's Snowflake, Databricks, BigQuery, but you should only give your experience engine or your composable CDP access to a window of your data. You don't need to export your full customer 360 into a downstream platform and host it there. Actually, what you need to do is you need to decide, you have a data layer. What do you want to give your CDP or customer experience engine access to so that it can help you orchestrate customer journeys to drive a specific business goal? And for certain teams, that may only be a slice of the data, right? I often get global teams where you'll have an enterprise team where you have a global central organization, and then they'll have individual country marketers. And those individual country marketers may be designing email experiences to reduce churn in their country. Well, their experience engine and their CDP should only have access to a window of the data that can be used for that country. So only the customers that live in that country, only the types of data that are approved for usage of optimization of that experience. In composable CDP, you get that right out of the box. You're providing windows into your data layer rather than having your data layer and your experience engine coupled together so you can't separate them.